Okay, so we have looked at the layer mask options. Let's also look at an adjustment layer option. Now, let's say my brick is perhaps a little too red or a little too blue or whatever the color cast is. That's not quite right for my image here. Um, I can go in and add to that layer with that layer selected. I can create a new adjustment layer. Now, you may want to change the brightness and contrast, levels, uh, or probably hue, saturation, color balance. Like these are things that, those are the four that I tend to use. I'm going to adjust color balance right now because it's a pretty subtle thing, and the rest of it looks all right. Um, the interesting thing here, right, is that you can change these tones in that image. Now, if right now this adjustment layer is above all of these, so if I change something here, it's going to change all of the pictures in the file, right? On the other hand, if I hold down the Option key and I move my cursor, so the cursor is between the two, and I click, it will link this color balance adjustment to only this layer, right? So for example, I could now make this a much more golden image, and maybe a little bit redder so that it might, well, maybe not, maybe less saturated even. Um, so that maybe I want it to go with the columns a little bit better, right? I can add a second adjustment layer. Let's go add another one. New adjustment layer. Let's do hue saturation. This might actually be more fun for what we're doing. Same thing. I'm going to hold the Option key down and I want to connect the two. So those are both only adjusting this area, this layer, right? I can decrease my saturation so that maybe it's a little less red and a little more gold. I can also change the overall, overall color tone. That's really green. Where's my gold? Maybe, and maybe desaturate that a little bit. Keep the lightness going on. So again, you can play with these. Ooh, maybe I can, yes, colorizing. That's what I want to do because I want it to match that yellow a little bit better. All right, this is where I get a little bit fussy with things, but you can make things come together much better if the colors are similar and you want them to look like they belong to the same wall or the same environment. These are adjustments you can make, again, to just one layer at a time. So highly recommend hue saturation, color balance, the adjustment layers for brightness and contrast if it's just a little too light or too dark, levels if you need to like open up the shadows. Those are great ones to play with. The rest of these maybe get a little, tend to make them a little more severely different. So those are the better ones. So that's how to add an adjustment layer and attach it to just one layer and not the whole image.